Though I get the idea that they're not trying to give you a single number because it doesn't produce a single number. This bulky control here, the fact that there's 2 breaks in the cable, I just don't like it.
Well, we agreed with James, and we listened, we learned, and we're proud to introduce the Flair 58 Plus 2, featuring an integrated preheat control system, simplified wiring, and a significantly smaller power supply. This is the Flair 58 reimagined, as always, in pursuit of the perfect manual espresso.